Good morning everyone children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I hope you all are written exam very well. Let us start our class. Now everyone open studio page number 27. 2.14. So here given one small activity. Follow the color code to join the dots. Identify the figure. So here given the dotted pictures only. Here we have to join the dots with using of color code. So here first circles. We know the shapes. So here it is a circle and it is triangle shape. It is square and it is rectangle. Okay, for circles you have to use blue color and triangles you have to use black color and circles and square you have to use green color and rectangle you have to use blue color to join these dots. Okay children, this is your homework. Next, make a ball and box using the play-doh given by your teacher. So here you have to make a box and ball with using of clay. Okay children. So here shapes like the ball and the box are called solid shapes. Okay. Can anyone know what are solid shapes? Okay, now I will tell. Listen carefully everyone. Okay children, so here solid shape, an object that occupies some space is called solid shapes. Okay, an object that occupies some space is called solid shape. So for example, so here it is duster. So here I place this duster on the book. So here the duster occupies some space now. So it is a solid shape. And here ball. So here the ball occupies some space. So it is called solid shape. Okay children, are you clear? What are solid shapes? An object that occupies space are called solid shapes. So the examples of solid shapes are book, pen, pencil and ball, mobile phone. These all are occupy space. That means these are all the solid shapes. Okay children, so now everyone open page number 28. So here this is the hands-on activity. So I am reading the question. Listen carefully everyone. Follow the instructions given by your teacher to see which of the objects roll, which of them slide and which of them roll and slide. So here you have to check these objects roll or slide or both roll and slide. So put a tick in the table below under the correct column for each object. So here the first given ball. Okay, let us check its ball, slide or roll children. So here the objects that are having flat surfaces means it slides and the objects are having covered surfaces means it rolls. Okay, let us check children. So when we place objects on a slope, you have to check its roll or slide. Okay, here I taken ball. You have to check its roll or slide children. It rolls. So take the roll. Next, second one, pencil box. Okay, you have to place the pencil box on the slope. It slides or roll. It slides. Okay, take the slide. Next, birthday cap. So let us check. The birthday cap is having circular shape and flat shape also. So it rolls and slides. So this is both rolls and slides. Okay children, so the next one is glass. Let us check glass, slide or roll or both slide and roll. Okay, here I taken one glass. You have to check children. It slides. Okay, it slides. So tick the slides and next. So this is having flat surface and covered surface also. So you have to keep like this. It rolls. That means glass, ball, slides and rolls. Okay children, now down everyone. Everyone do this activity with using of your hands. Okay. You have to check. Take these objects and place it on a slope and check it rolls or slides. Okay, so the next one. So here given one definition. Listen carefully everyone children. Objects move in different ways when we place it on a slope. Is it correct or not? Yes, when we place object on a slope, some objects roll like ball roll and some objects slide like pencil box slide and some objects are roll and slide. Yes, birthday cap roll and slide. Next 2.17. What is the shape of a wheel in a bus? Why isn't that shape? Share in class. Okay. Can anyone know what is the shape of the bus wheel? So shape of the bus wheel is circular shape. Okay. So wheels are in circular shape. Why isn't that shape? So if the circular shape wheels are move very faster. Okay. The circular shape wheels are move very faster. So that's why the wheels are made with circular shape. Are you clear children? Next, let us go to the 2.18. Okay children, let us see 2.18. Open your pencil box and fill the object in it. Draw or name an object that will. So here you have to write the slide objects and roll and slide. Okay. So what are the things you will observe in your pencil box? Pencil, pen, eraser, scale and some more items. No. So in that which objects are slide? Okay, let us check children. So for example, you have to take the scale. It slides or rolls? It slides. So example of slided object is scale. And the which one rolls. So for example, if we take the pen placed on a slope, it rolls. So pen is roll object. Next, so which one is roll and slide? So if we take a pencil children, pencil having flat surface. Okay, pencil having flat surface. If you keep like this, it slides. Okay, and if we observe, if we place like this, it's rolls. So pencil is rolls and slides. So write the pencil here. Next, and another one example of slided object, eraser. Eraser having flat surface. So it slides. Okay, note down everyone. Next, everyone open companion page number 17. Sorry, page number 16. Now everyone open companion page number 16. Children, so let us read the question everyone. 2E. Circle the objects that roll and tick the object that slides. So here you have to circle the rolled object and tick the slided object. So in the first one is given gift box. So let us check this is having flat surface or not. Yes, this is having flat surface, means it slides. Okay, an object that are having flat surface means it slides. So gift box slides. So give the slided object means tick. You have to tick that one. Next, book. Let us check book is having flat surface or not. Yes, this is having flat surface. So tick the book. Next, mobile. Mobile is also having flat surface. So it slides. So tick the mobile. Next, ball. Ball having flat surface children? No, ball rolls. So circle the ball. Next, lemon. Lemon is also circular shape object. So it rolls. So here circle the rolled objects and tick the slide objects. Next, dice. So dice is having flat surface. Yes, you have to check here. Dice is having flat surface. So it's slide. So you have to tick. Next, orange. Orange is having flat surface or covered surface, children. Actually, orange is circular shape. It is roll object. But once you have to check here given half of the orange. Okay. In orange here this is the flat surface and this is the covered surface. So that means it's roll and slide also. So you have to tick and circle this object also. Okay children, are you clear? Okay, next everyone open page number 17. So now this is project time. You have to do the project and send to me. So discover the shapes in the food we eat. So for each shape given below, think of a food item that looks like it. Write in the space given. So here you have to write the circle shape food items, square shape food items, rectangle shape food items and triangle shape food items. Okay children, for example of circle shape food item, chapati is circle shape food item, idli is circle shape food item and parota is also circle shape food item. You have to write the names here. And the example of triangle, samosa is an example of triangle. So here you have to fill this table with the circle shape food items and square, rectangle and triangle shape. Okay children, this is your project. So everyone do this project and send to me. Okay children, so the next one, it's question time. Circle the odd one in each line based on its shape. So here ball is in circular shape and mobile having flat surface or circle face. So here the ball is having flat surface and okay children, let us check. Here the ball is having flat surface. No. Here the mobile having flat surface and the tomato is flat surface. No, it is circular shape and orange is also circular shape. So once you have to check exact mobile, these three are having circular shape and this is only having the flat surface. So this is the different from these three. No. So this is the odd one out. So you have to circle the mobile. Why? Because remaining three are having circular faces and mobile is only having the flat surface. And next check. It is book. Book having flat surface and matchbox is also having flat surface. Marble having circular face. Pencil box is also having flat surface. So if you observe these four, here the marble is only having the circular face. So this is the odd one out from these four. Okay, circle these two, mobile and marbles. Okay children, now everyone open page number 18. Join the dots to draw the shapes. Write the name of each shape. So here given the dotted lines, you have to join the dots and write the name of the shapes. We know that shapes already. So here this is the circle and it is triangle, square and rectangle. So here you have to join the dots and write the names of the shapes. So this is your homework. I think you all are clear about this topic children. Thank you everyone.